going to the beach, hence the bikini top. It is one of my last weekends before school starts. I think I have 2 more weekends. My weekends of no homework are ending, but today we're going to the beach. Today also there's this free bike riding. I love bike riding. I'm dressed. I just need to put some sunscreen on, fix my hair a little bit, pack my bag, and then I'm gonna bike over to Trader Joe's to get some snackies. Yeah, so this whole week I've been like working legit 9 to 5. I'm waking up at 6 because I want to go to the gym, get my pump. Look at her, you're pump in. I don't like going to the gym in the evening because there's too many people and I hate going to a busy gym. It just irks me. But this is what I'm packing because I've been talking too long and I have to still ride this bike to Trader Joe's. Beach towel because we're gonna be on the beach. We need to lay down. I got this beach cover, water bottle, stay hydrated, my journal in case I want to journal, a crew neck in case I get cold, sunscreen, lotion, no explanation. This is the book I'm currently reading. At the beach now and I'm reading my book. It's hot out. I really want to go in the water, but there are some cases about like flesh-eating bacteria. I'm like, what are the odds? It is September 1st. It's September 1st. Which means a couple things. 1, school is in 4 days. I have 4 days left. 2nd, 3rd, 4th. Well, I guess not including this one. I have 3 days after this. I think I need to go back to school because I can't count. Today's a move-in for work. I'm warming up a bagel. It's 7:30 a.m. Get pumped. People are moving back on campus. Campus will officially be open. After packing my bag last night, I was kind of getting excited for school, surprisingly. But yes, so September 1st. It's also a milestone for me because my goal this summer was to get to September 1st and see how different I would feel in comparison from April 1st. And I feel good, which is great. I have this cute lipstick on, but I'm gonna be wearing a mask because COVID cases are rising. A bunch of people are gonna be coming from different parts of the country, all over the world actually. And I'm not trying to get anything, but my face looks cute, but it'll be hidden from the public. I need to grab a table and then we'll be on with the show. Full day moving today. We're ready to go. This evening I'm going to a house party warming for my friend in Brooklyn. But for now, it's a work day. Oh, look at my braid. Look at it. Okay. See you later. I've been wearing these cow ears all day because the theme of my community are cows. And I'm wearing my staff shirt and I just hope people don't think I'm some weird furry. I'm going to my friend's apartment in Brooklyn. They're doing a housewarming party. So I got dressed. I'm wearing, let me set this down. Just keeping it simple. White tank top, a long black skirt. And then I have my denim jacket for when it's cooler out. I'm bringing some books with me. That's wet. Bringing some books with me to take. That's an hour commute. And I've been up and walking and very social today, so I'm kind of starting to get drained a little bit, but it'll be fun. We're gonna get our energy pumping on the train. Pumping. And the commute over is good. It's like the train lines I'm taking are very simple, so I'm looking forward to that. But we're gonna head out. cutie friend, say hello. Oh.
Wait, hold up.
Wait, what video?
I hit the door, it's a video.
Oh.
Hi guys. Let me do 14.
Yeah.
Get into it.
Get into
Conduct
it.
to mine. Get to my.
Apartment fire.
Okay, it is Saturday morning. I slept, I think, a good amount. Last time was a lot of fun. But this morning we're here with Brandon.
Hello.
Where are we going this
We're
morning?
going to Walmart and then IKEA, and we're gonna have a good shopping
We're
day.
gonna have a good shopping day. Mm-hmm.
That's what's gonna happen.
That's what's gonna happen. What are we shopping for?
We're shopping for some home essentials, some shelves, a dresser.
A dresser.
You know, where can I put my TV? We'll find out.
We're gonna find out.
We're gonna find out.
And we're in a car. Oh my gosh, we're never in a car in New York. The best part about going shopping and not having anything to buy is that someone else is gonna buy stuff and you get the serotonin for it. Okay, vlog.
I'm still hungry. I haven't ate all day.
You're crazy. He's crazy. He's crazy. Brandon is shopping for his new apartment, and we are at the Walmart. The Walmart. The Walmart.
We're under the wall. In the mall.
And the Mart. I love Walmart. It's been literally a long time. Are you proposing?
No. I got money.
But yeah, I want more green.
Same. I love green. Green's your favorite color, right?
Yeah.
Same.
Because I have 2 live plants,
Yeah.
but I kind of want to get more decor.
I agree.
We're in IKEA now, and we're shopping.
What is to... I don't know.
It's to look beautiful and hope someone buys our cart for us.
Right, honestly, that's always...
Just look lost.